Hello my lovely kids. Today's our 10th activity is based out of waste. You have a waste CD at your home. We will do painting on CD. For that we will need watercolors, a CD, a matchstick and paintbrush. Now we will start to draw watermelon slices with green, red and black color. First we will use green color. Now we will make a slice with red color. We will draw a triangle shape with color red and we will fill the color inside the triangle. Like this, we will draw watermelon slices in all the CD. Like this, we have made watermelon slices on the CD and after it will dry, now we will make watermelon seeds by matchstick. Like this, we will dip matchstick in the black color and we will make seeds like this. So kids, here our drawing of watermelon slices are ready. So like this we can make so many fruits on the CD like berries, strawberries, grape, orange, mangoes. So practice it at home and send us your work at the page of Nursery and Daycare. Thank you.